Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Testing the levels. Testing the levels. Testing the levels. Testing the levels. Testing the doubles. Testing the levels. Testing the doubles. Testing the levels. Testing the doubles. Oh, let me just check the how the stream's doing. How my mic is. Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Testing the levels. Testing the levels. Testing the levels. Testing the levels. Testing the doubles. Yeah, it's a little scratchy. Hold up. Testing the levels, testing the levels, testing the levels, testing the devils. Devils is good, devils is good. Levels is good, devils is good. Levels is good, devils is good. Testing the levels, testing the levels, testing the levels, testing the devils. Devils is good, devils is good. Levels is good, devils is good. My mic sounds like it's a little too loud though. I bet it's loud as hell, dude. Hold up, let me turn that down. Whoa. Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Testing the levels, testing the levels. Testing the levels. Devils is good, devils is good, levels is good. What's good, man? It's your boy E. Coming at you with some finance solutions. And damn, bro, rug pull, like every time I get away, bro, from my core theme, which is fading rips, bro, I get into trouble, dude. Like, look, like I should have been fading the rips, bro. That's it, dude. Like I ain't, bro. I'm going back to my thesis and plan, bro. That's the only thing that works in this market, bro. Like you can't buy any of these dips, dude. I'm only fading rips, my guy. That's it. Like when I was taking that approach, like I was profitable for 5 straight weeks, bro. Only when I went back to thinking it was okay to buy dips did I get into trouble. So, I mean, I know people want to hear, like, look at that, we're tanking more, bro. Like, the jobless numbers came out, like, bro, look at these charts. Look at AMD, bro, and Nvidia and TSM, like, looks the same, bro. Like, I mean, I'll break it up for it, bro. Look, they all look the same, dude. Everything's just cratering, dog. Like, and bro, I'm telling you, like, I had 5 green weeks in a row when I was freaking just fading rips, bro. Like, can't buy any dips in this, bro. If you are buying dips, like, you feel me? Because some, I mean, obviously some plays, and here I was on my other screen, some plays, hold up, because the mic goes out when you switch. Some plays, you know, are at good levels for the long term, bro. So like, you can buy dips on banger stocks if your time horizon's out there, bro. But like, you know, more short term, like trading intraday, dog, like I don't trust it, bro. Jobless, like the jobless numbers came out and we like popped for a second and then just tanked. Look right here. Look, this is where the number print came out at. Look, popped for a minute, bro, and then freaking just went right back, dude. But also, like, I'm gonna do like the pre-market or whatever, like, but I'm really feeling like I need to you know, do the pre-market and then maybe like get off for an hour and get my trading in and then come back, bro. Because I ain't gonna lie, the stream, like trying to stream and trade, and it's not a problem, but it's like my shit keeps getting attacked, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie, like I could show you like my thing, bro. It shows me like the incoming connections and shit that's like trying to hit the ports on my router, bro. So like, yeah, if I wasn't getting attacked, bro, it wouldn't be a problem. But with the attacks, it's too much to deal with and then try to trade, bro. You feel me? So I'm feeling like I'll do like the morning show, then I'll go ahead and get off for like an hour, get my trading in, and then come back and like, you know, finish out the trading period. Maybe take some small little trades or something, like, you feel me? But like, dude, it's obvious that, like, I don't know what the hell is going on, bro, but whatever the case it is, bro, like, I can't have it affect my trading, bro. You know what I mean? But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and post a watch list. Bro, you guys need to be jumping on this watch list, bro. Like, you need to jump on the watch list.
But, you know what I mean? It's just
hold on one second. And I'm about to post the watch list. I'll be right back.
Change the sounds. I come up.
Levels is good. 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 Testing levels. Testing levels. Testing levels. Testing levels. Testing levels. Yeah. Watch list is posted, and I might try out a new format here, bro. You know, I'm just making sure that my stream is going out to all the right sources because I multi-stream, bro. And like I don't know why I'm logged out of my Twitch. Hey, bro, like I ain't gonna lie, dude. Like I think I figured something out. I'm gonna keep it to myself though. Well, I'm gonna capitalize first, and then I'll give y'all the game, bro. You feel me? I can't even check my Twitch, bro. Like from my phone. I mean, it seems like it's going out. It's going out to Facebook, Rumble, YouTube. I mean, but yeah, bro. Like I was just saying, dude. Like. We're still in a recession, bro. We're in a recession, and any rallying that we're seeing is bear market rallying, bro. So, you know, we just got to keep that in mind, bro. Like myself included. And bro, like I hate to be overly bearish, bro. Like because you know, obviously, people want to hear bullishness. You know, for their long-term investments, bro. You feel me? So that's what always like kind of leads me back to try to be bullish. But dude, like every time I do it, I'm punished, bro. Therefore, I must only fade rips, bro. Like rip fader gang, bro. Like I'm telling you, you need to join the gang, bro. Rip faders, bro. Rip fader media, bro. That's it. All right, the market's opening here in about 20 minutes. So what we'll do is we're gonna go over some things off the watch list real quick. All right. Let's see what we got. S&P futures are currently trading at down 1.25%. The Nasdaq almost 1.5%. The Dow 1%. Stocks head for red open. U.S. jobless claims retreat slightly. Fed's bullet says more hikes needed to get to restrictive level. All right, so there you go, bro. Like more hikes are needed, and we just seen a pop on Meta. I mean, I don't know if that was a misprint or whatever. So look, there you go right there, bro. Look, Bullard says more hikes are needed to get to the right levels. So, bro, like more hikes are coming, bro. Like any bullishness you're seeing, it's just bear market rallying and it's hopium, bro. You know what I mean? Like I've been saying, dude. And you know what I mean? When I don't stick to my guns, that's when I get in trouble. You feel me? Like every time. Not even just in the stock market. Like, you feel me? Russia agrees to renew Ukraine grain deal, helping provide downside in grain prices. All right, that's good. All right, most talked about stocks in retail are Nvidia, Target, AMD, Tesla, DWAC, Palantir, and IS. I don't even know what IS is. Let's see what IS is. I don't know. Well, I guess I can't pull up IS. Whatever. I mean, maybe I'm reading that wrong. Expected IPOs. You got some IPOs expected to come out. Notable events. We got the Fed heads, the talking heads, bro. The Feds. You know what I mean? more discussions. You feel me? Which you know that that tanks the market too, bro. And trust me, Mr. Kapow, Mr. Powell, Jerome Powell, the chairman, he doesn't want to see, like, bro, he doesn't want to see the stock market ripping, bro. So, like, you feel me? Because, like, they know everything's overvalued. You know what I'm saying? All right, notable earnings. Like, we got these right here. MWB, Jemiah. I feel like Jemiah is going to be a good deal later down the line for the long-term portfolio, by the way. And remember, anything I say is not a suggestion to buy, hold, or sell any type of underlying derivative or cryptocurrency. You feel me? All right, we got some biotech dates here. The 17th, the 24th, and the 26th. All right, priority review for LGND and MGNX. All right, we got SPPIs, FDA approval date expected, APLS's FDA approval date expected. Looking at unusually high volume on these stocks here. BABA, we got Moen in there, ARDX, CTMX, CUEN, Catalyst. And this is why you guys need to be jumping on this watch list, bro. Look at that. I even go in and show you what Kathy Wood's buying and selling, bro. Even though she's been getting punished, bro. Because she buys the dip, bro. Like, she's sticking to her guns, bro. She's getting punished in this market, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm starting to feel like Kathy Wood was just looking like a genius because we're in that bullish market, bro. Like, we're in that Corona environment where, you know, they were just injecting liquidity into the markets. And, you feel me? Like, you know, we're just on an unprecedented bull run, bro. You know, so like I said, it's easy. Everyone looks like a genius in that market condition, bro. Everyone does. But it's only when, you feel me? Like, we're not in a freaking straight, when the market's not going straight up, when we face a little adversity. You feel me? Is when you actually have to trade. All right. What screen are we on? All right, let's go to this main screen. Like I said, bro, like, I've just been getting attacked too much, my guy. I've been getting attacked too much, and it started to interfere, like, with my ability to make money, bro. You feel me? So, like, I'm really considering it, like doing the pre-market. Let me turn this music. Hopefully that's not too much noise because I got the air conditioner on and the air cleaner on. But I got a noise gate on my mic. Alright. It seems like it's not even coming through. Yeah. So I'm really considering, like, you know, doing like a pre-market whatever show, like going over some things off the watch list, you feel me? And then jumping off and like getting my trading in for at least like an hour and then coming back on, bro. You feel me? But I mean, as of now, the you know what I mean, the stream looks good, bro. But and look at Sox S and Sox L. Like, dude, I got a whole monitor dedicated to semis, and then like I got Sox S and Sox O on this thing. Like, I need to rotate a little bit, maybe get into some different stocks or something. But that's the thing. Like, I find it easier to just trade the same basket of stocks, bro. Like, you know what I mean? Especially in this market condition. Like now, when the recession's over with and whatever, like, you know, maybe I'll go back to like, you know, trading runners and using the scanner and all that. But like in these market conditions, bro, then I don't even want to trade AMD, bro. Like I freaking made bread yesterday on Monday on AMD, gave a little of it back on Monday in Tesla, and then yesterday gave like damn near all of it back. And you know, that's not something I want to be doing, bro. I'm gonna I mean, let's give it a shot, bro. Let's give it a shot. Everything looks good for now, bro. What screen are we on? All right. Let me check something real quick. Yeah, bro. Like, I gotta go back to freaking. It's obvious. I need to work on some content too, dude. Like, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like, that short form content is where it's at, bro. Like, dude, I uploaded like a couple of freaking shorts to my gaming channel last night. Like, my YouTube. Like, I haven't even checked the TikTok or whatever, but like, my YouTube and freaking, like, bro, that short form content is where it's at, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. The things get a lot of views, bro, and it's bringing in more traffic to my channel, bro. Like, making me think I need to pay a little bit more attention to my gaming channel. That, you know, like I said, money comes first, bro. You know what I mean? Like the trading, and that's what allows me to be able to game, bro. Like, so we just have to put things in priority, like in the proper. You have to prioritize. You feel me? All right, so we got about 12 minutes to market open. It's looking like this. I mean, the SPY and the Qs, bro. Let's look, and something's not right with the screen here. Like my new little monitor I got. Let's go ahead and look at what we got going on, because look, dude, we've been ripping. We've been ripping. But look, here's the low. I mean, we got down to 348. That's the low so far. And then we rallied, you feel me, all the way up to 408.50, bro. What is that? No, 403.50s. So look, that's the range that we're trading in. 348, might as well call it 350 to 403. So the SPY has been in that range, right? And we hit that. Let's go back. We hit this low. What was that? In October? October 13th. Okay? And ever since then, we've been trending up. And now we've hit a high up here to 403. And now it looks like we're going back down to test the bottom of the range, bro. So I mean, just like the individual tickers and stocks, You feel me? Like, we gotta pay attention and look at this thing. Like, see? Remember, I was like, bro, that doesn't make sense. Like, we're repping too hard in a bear market. I don't believe it. You feel me? And dude, look, I got away from my core thesis and my plan, and I was punished yesterday for it. So I'm going back to, like, I don't want to be bearish, bro, because I know people inherently want to hear bullishness because of their long-term portfolios and their investments. But dude, like, I gotta keep it real, bro. Like, you know what I mean? Like, that's the main focus here. Keep it in real, like, you know what I mean? Like, feelings and all that, bro, like, in my opinion, is secondary to keeping it real, bro. You know what I mean? Like, how you feel is secondary to keeping it real. All right? I just made that up. So, remember, you heard it here first, bro. Well, you know, like, people be biting my style a lot, bro. I ain't gonna lie. And it's all good. It's all good. We can see, like, there's something with the edge of this thing, dude. And you guys can't even see it. My bad. I was messing with the other monitors, but let's go ahead and look. Take a look. What did I have here? Soxo. I ain't gonna lie. Success is looking like a decent swing, bro. You feel me? Because see, when I just showed you on the SPY, is even the SPY itself is range bound, right? So we're just playing the ranges on the SPY. You feel me? We're playing the ranges on the SPY. So here's Soxel. Success is over here. And I ain't gonna lie, Success is looking like a decent swing. Because if you look at it, look, got as high as 85, right? And then we're in this little bear market rally. It got all the way down to the 30s. Now I believe we're like going to the downside again. But remember, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. A underlying derivative and or cryptocurrency. All right? But I ain't gonna lie. This is looking like a decent swing right now. You know what I mean? Like a decent swing, dog. You feel me? Like, for a couple of weeks or a month or whatever, like, so whenever the market decides to freaking turn around. You know what I mean? But for now, like, we're just playing me personally, I'm just playing the ranges. But, like, I think I'm gonna try out a new format. I'm gonna see what happens. You feel me? Because I'm not gonna take any trades off the OBIT anyways. But I feel like the attacks are affecting my ability to make money, bro. I don't want to find myself here worrying about the stream. You feel me? When I should be focusing on trading. You know what I mean? It's like, again, I'm not in this for like the numbers in the stream and all that, bro. That's not why I'm streaming. You feel me? I'm streaming to help people and show them the importance of financial literacy. You feel me? Right. You know, like I'm trying to kill two birds with one stone. And look, the market's just dumping, bruh. Ugh. And I had grabs, dude. Like, remember when I was like, all right, I'm gonna end the stream. I freaking I cut my longs and then and flipped short and caught some on that downside on AMD. And I just cut meta and ate the loss on that. But look, the market's just fading, bro. It's just fading. All right. Let me see what all right, I'm gonna turn the TV off. Because I don't want like feedback coming through. I got like speakers behind here and shit, like surround sound. All right, market open in about, you know what I mean, 4 minutes, 3 minutes. So off the open, we're gonna watch the 2 minute. All right, and let's just get rid of any levels that we have on here because you know what I mean, like, and they get you, bro. Like, you think market conditions change, and they did for a second. But, and I was saying it yesterday, bro. This action is like bull trap action. Remember, I kept saying that, and then sure enough, dude, like that's something I need to work on. Like, just going with my intuition, bro. Like, you feel me? Like, there's a study out there that says, your first decision or whatever is usually the right decision. Like when you have to like make a split second decision, like the first thing that comes to mind is usually the right decision. And like over the years, like, and this is something I learned like years ago, like in school, bro. You feel me? Like back when they used to teach critical thinking and stuff like that. Remember how I said like in one of my shorts, and how they don't even probably don't even teach critical thinking anymore? And that's one of the things that you learn is that like your first like uh decision, like the first thing that comes to mind is usually the right thing. So that's something that I need to work on personally. It's just like listening to my intuition and my gut decisions. You feel me? That's just me though. But we're gonna watch this freaking the market opens here in like 1 minute or less. So we're gonna watch it on the 2 minute. But like I said, I'm probably going to you feel me? Like go ahead and end the stream and get my trading in for like an hour and then come back. Because I can't keep up with it. I can't keep up with the attacks, bro. I can't. And all right, I was gonna show the other screens real quick, but the market's about to open. I need to turn that fan on, dude. Like, but I don't want to get up and miss anything. Room temp. I don't know. It's pretty cool in here, bro. I don't know why it's already cool in here. All right, there goes market open. Let's see what happens. And remember, we're watching the 2 minute. Look, AMD tanking off the open. Meta tanking off the open. I'm also watching Meta on the 10-minute over here on my other monitor. And then I'm watching NVIDIA, AMD, and TSM on the 10-minute as well. And then SOX S and SOX O. So I don't know why I'm fixated on semis, but that's something else I might take a look at. But for now, we're just gonna leave everything how it is, because I've been like tracking the semis since Warren Buffett got that $4 million stake in TSM. I feel like that's interesting. You feel me? So I want to see what happens with that. You know what I mean? But off the open, I mean, Meta thinking the market's trying to bounce though. Let's look at the 1 minute, dude. Just so we can really dig into this price action and see exactly what's going on here. All right. AMD's trying to gain some back. But like, dude, I'm not trusting nothing, bro. Look, we got levels from yesterday. I'm gonna get rid of all those. Like, and I'm gonna go back and get some real levels, like off the daily chart. And like, those, we'll leave those. But I'm gonna like make them a different color, so that way we know the real levels and not just intraday levels. You feel me? So look, we got the SPY, the Qs, AMD, and Meta trying to bounce off the open, but like rejecting for now off the 120 maybe. Let's give it some time. Like I said, like this is a 1 minute chart. We're like only a couple minutes into the trading period at this point. But this is where you see the most volatility at. But I look at the heat map, and then if we go over here and check out the semis, look at what the semis are looking like on the 10-minute. So, I mean, not much to glean, you know what I mean? Because of the wicks, like, so it's like buying and selling basically, like indecision when you have the wicks on the top and the bottom. You feel me? And you guys can't even see the TSM chart, so we're not gonna worry about that. Look, this is what we got going on the 10-minute. You feel me? SOX L basically looking the same, because SOX L tracks the semis, and then you would expect SOX S to be doing the inverse, obviously. And here I'll show you what I mean. So right here, look, but I'm gonna go back to the main chart. You want to see this action, and give me 1 second. Matter of fact, like, we can leave the church on. I need to get the remote from my pen. 1 second. Yeah, a lot of freaking flashing, bro. Flash usually means a dash, bro. Hopefully I didn't hit my mic when I got up. We'll double check. Been meaning to move the boom arm like, and put it up high where I can't hit it. Freaking flashing, bro. Okay, it's good. I forgot to do something as well, but I think I could do it. Like, I don't really necessarily have to leave the stream to do that. So let's go here. And what they just like, what YouTube just gave me a handle, like they're not gonna let me pick my own handle. You feel me? Like, what's up with that? And actually, give me 1 second. Testing the levels, testing the levels, testing the levels, testing the doubles, testing the levels, testing the levels, testing the doubles, testing the levels. Doubles is good, doubles is good. Levels is good. Doubles is good. Alright. Doubles is good. Levels is good. You feel me? Oh man. Back doubles out here, bruh. I ain't gonna lie, dog. Like, so what? You two just giving me like a handle, bro? Like, I want to pick my own handle, bro. Like, what's up with that? Like, I want to pick my own shit. Oh, Lord have mercy. I apologize, guys. My bad. Look, I had to set something up real quick. But let's see if it's done. All right, it's done. All right, cool. Okay. Dude. I mean, just some housekeeping, and we're seeing some bouncing coming in the market right now. You feel me? But like, again, bro, like, I just, you know what I mean? Don't trust it. Look, we got bouncing coming in the semis, and you would expect that. I mean, check out the 10-minute chart over here, the semi chart. You got some bouncing, and you would expect that because they freaking just faded all day yesterday, basically. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, bro, I don't trust it. I don't trust it, bro. Like I ain't trusting any bounces in this market, dude. Like like the data's there, bro. It's empirical data. Like my data. Like when I go back and look at my trades, bro, like it's there. Uh, and basically what it says is I I I do better just fading rips. You feel me? That's what the data that's what my data tells me. No, that's not the same for everyone. You feel me? Some people, you know what I mean, are expert dip buyers. I see, like I'm not one of those people, not in this market condition. You feel me? Like I said, market conditions change and you have to be able to adapt. You know what I mean? So that's where a lot of traders, especially new traders, um, you know, are having trouble at because a lot of new retail traders got into markets, uh, like during the easy money policy days. You feel me? Myself included. I mean, I was in a little bit earlier, but I was still fairly new then. So we're gonna just sit back here and watch this thing, man. Like, and you see, like, how AMD is getting up here to the top of the range and Meta, but notice the SPY and the Qs. Like, they're just chopping around sideways, bro. They're not really doing much of nothing. Haven't broken above VWAP. Remember yesterday, the SPY and the Qs could never break above VWAP. So that should tell you all you need to know. Because VWAP, like I said, could be used as a intraday short-term support and or resistance. So the fact that the SPY and the Qs could never get above VWAP should let you know something. And like I said, bro, like I ain't trying to like do any really live trading, bro. Like I feel like I need to get my trading in and you feel me? And then come back on. Like what was the spread on that thing? All right, man. I took a little position, bro. Like I'm gonna give it one more try, dog. You feel me? Right now up a -5% on the Trizzy. Only got a small little position. Small little position. You feel me? Small little position. You know, 110. We gotta be careful though. But if the same price action holds true from yesterday, bro, like you know what I mean? The index, like the SPY and the Qs, were never able to break and hold above VWAP. So let's see what happens. Let's see if the SPY can break above it. And what's Meta trading at? 110? 110.74? So right here is crucial. Like, are the SPY and the Qs going to be able to break above VWAP? The SPY's getting there. The Qs are already above VWAP. And what are we? We're 15 minutes into the trading period. AMD's up here at the top of a range here. So like, if I was willing to do anything, like I'd be trying to fade it. You feel me? I'd be trying to fade it from up here. And we're seeing some breaking out. We're seeing some breaking out on the SPY and the Qs. Look, AMD trying to go red to green. Oh shit. Let's see if we can actually do it. But as of now, that thing went red to green, bro. So I was up 5% on my Trizzy. But now I'm down. But I don't trust it. I really don't. We'll see. Let me change my limit price. Where are they trading at now? 106. Alright. I'm gonna try something, bro. Like I said, if my shit starts getting attacked, bro, I'm gonna have to jump off. So, I mean, it seems to me that we're going up and testing the top of the range first, I guess. I mean, either that's the top of the range or AMD breaks out. You feel me? It's one or the other. So it's all on your it's all on your bias. But the SPY and the Qs are grinding up and putting in higher highs. They're both above VWAP right now. That's something different than we seen yesterday. You haven't broken above the 120 yet, though. And see, and I'm having issues, bro, with my stream and shit, with my platform, bro. Like my my positions window isn't updating again, bro. I don't know if it has something. All right, there it goes. Never mind. I like to see. I like to see. I know you're not really supposed to look at your P&L while you're trading, but I like to glance over at it and just to for confirmation. See, you see how my shit keeps flashing like that, bro? Like, that's what makes me think I need to go ahead and just trade, like, do my trading and then come back on when I'm done. Because I don't know if it's a tax or if like it's too much for the network or the computer to handle. Well, like I don't know, but whatever the case, it's a distraction. You feel me? And like what you can't have while you're trading is distractions. Well, like, you know what I mean? We know that, bro. Looking at these semis, check these things out. That's on the 10-minute. Look, AMD's breaking above the 120. All right, Nvidia's getting up there. TSM's getting up there. Even if you look at this other my other monitor, look, you see SOXL going red to green. You see SOXS cracking. So right now they're looking bullish. But let's see if it can continue. Because notice the SPY's grinding up, putting in higher lows. It was, and then it got up here to this whatever level this is, and we ran into some resistance. The same thing with the Qs, but the Qs were leading today, but got up to this 120, and we're seeing some resistance. So let's see. And I'm gonna go ahead and put AMD up here and put Meta down here. And look, I got levels on this thing. And look, this is the 2 minute. That thing freaking ripped, bro. And I'm seeing a bunch of green prints. I was. But dude. We're gonna see, bro. We're gonna see. Good Meta. See, I already knew, like, on Meta yesterday, like, I called the relief rally. You feel me? And then I also called that it was extended off of the relief rally. So why I went ahead and thought it was okay to go long on it yesterday, I don't know. You feel me? Like, again, goes back to just like listening to yourself, listening to your first mind. And now if you scroll over, let's look at the semis. It seems to me that they came up here and hit some resistance. Nvidia here at like I don't know what that is. 161.20's handle. And AMD here at looks like 73.75, and I remember that level. That's a key level from that 73.75, I believe, is a key level from the other day. And look at Meta. It's just doing the same thing it was doing yesterday, bro. Just chopping around sideways. And I mean, you know, looking back in hindsight, you would expect that because that thing was like oversold for a minute and then it was overbought and that thing ran up. And now, like, you know, and look at TSM. You feel me? Looks like TSM hit the same little resistance zone that the other semis hit. But we're starting to see some bouncing coming in. But again, that's on the 10-minute chart. And we're watching the 2 minute here. I'm gonna go to the 5. I'm gonna go to the 5 on the indexes, so we can really, I'm at the indices, so we can really see what's happening here, bro. Like with some logic. You feel me? Because there's no logic on a 1 minute chart or a 2 minute chart. You feel me? There's no logic on it. You know, see now. You would think, bro, like this would be the top of the range, right? That's what you would think. No, this is crucial here because, you know, you got AMD looking like it hit the top of the range and now fading and going back to maybe test the bottom, but we have some major levels here. We have previous close, red to green. It also corresponds with the 9 EMA. All right. So those are gonna act as support. Maybe. I mean, you see them trying to buy it off of that level. That's why it's trying to bounce. And I mean, if you could see, there's a baby little wick there where when it's hitting previous close, they're buying it up. But now it's cracking. So it's cracking previous close. But it almost did. They're buying it up. But I mean, if you look at the SPY and the Qs, like no matter what this thing wants to do, bro, like if the SPY and the Qs are selling off or bearish, bro, like it's gonna drag it down. No, this is crucial for the Qs. See, the Qs were trying to use VWAP as support, but couldn't hold and cracked. All right. And look, let's look at our semis. Look, so look at that. Look, they hit resistance right here, and then TSM right here. So that's why it's important, you feel me, to be watching the overall market. And if you happen to be trading something, watching it on a higher time frame. Just wanted to point that out. And remember, anything that I say isn't a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell any underlying derivative and or cryptocurrency. I mean, I feel like I don't need to say cryptocurrency no more. Them things are out of there, bro. Like I'm telling you, I got my money out there. As soon as I seen, bro, even before the first whatever coin that was supposed to be tethered to the dollar. I don't think it's Tether, but there's another one that freaking went under. Like, bro, I seen the writing on the wall months before that, and I freaking cashed out months before that. And now look, you got whole freaking exchanges going on there, bro. Like, shit getting hacked. You know what I mean? Like, now look at AMD here. It's trying to hold this previous close. You feel me? And we do see a little bouncing trying to come into the market. You feel me? Look, the Qs were breaking down VWAP, and then we started bouncing off of VWAP. So like I said, that was crucial. But let's see. Let's see. Because and you see like the glitching, bro, like that makes me think I need to go ahead and do my trading off stream and then come back on. Now look, AMD is trying to hold this previous close as a support with the 9 and bounce, but they're selling into it. That's why you see the wick on top. See that wick? That's selling. It's trying to bounce up, but it's selling. It's bouncing up and then getting yanked down. That's why the wick's on top, because they're selling into it. I mean, some people think wicks are tricks, but like I said, bro, like the wicks speak to me. They tell me things. You feel me? And what the wick is telling me right there is that this is a level that's trying to act as support, but every time it tries to bounce, people are selling into it. You feel me? That's what that wick is telling me. So right where that wick terminates, see where these wicks terminate, where they were buying it from, that's a level right there. And it just so happens that that's like a nice round psychological number. Look, 73. You feel me? So you can get useful information from the wicks, bro. All right, so you're seeing, and I'm just gonna go over to the other monitor. This is what we're seeing from the semis. Look, Nvidia came up here, hit this resistance, sold off, cracked previous close. Now it's under previous close, rejecting previous close, but trying to bounce off a VWAP. So it's like wedged in between. And basically the same thing on AMD. When I'm here, hit this resistance, sold off, cracked previous close. Now previous close is acting as resistance, but VWAP is propping it up. And then TSM is you feel me, looking pretty bullish. I'm not gonna lie. Let me just look, because I can't drag. See TSM? But again, you got the big dogs in TSM, bro, propping that thing up. And like I was saying, you would think that up here would be the top of the range. And I mean, if you would have sold that rip, you would have been in the money right now. And with enough size, you'd have been done trading. Could have been done trading for the day. You know, just off this move from here to VWAP. That would be a price target. From the top of the range to VWAP. You feel me? You know what I mean? Like with enough size, you could be done. Now this is crucial, because let me make sure I'm on the right monitor. Yeah, this is crucial because we have the SPY coming down here, right, to the low of day and trying to bounce, but the Qs are still fading, rejecting off of VWAP and the 9. Now the Qs have more tech in them, so a stock like a AMD or like a Meta, Nvidia, you feel me? You'd be wanting to watch the Qs. And like I said, bro, you know, if you just zoom out and look at the SPY, it looks like we're trading within a range. You feel me? Like that low of the range, what was it, like 350s? 348? And then the top was like 403. So we hit the low, went up and hit the top the other day, and now it seems like we're going back in the opposite direction, maybe down to test the bottom of the range. But remember, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. All right? Any particular trading vehicle, underlying derivative, and or cryptocurrency. And I know people probably aren't buying cryptocurrencies right now. So, yeah, I mean, there's a lot of people, there's a lot of, bro, a lot of freaking money got lost, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like, I never used FTX. Like, I've only used 2 crypto exchanges. The only ones I ever used was Coinbase and crypto.com. That's it. But even you feel me, cash out the majority of like my crypto, bro. Like I probably still got like little pieces of shit that get of stuff. But I mean nothing that I would be concerned about. Because like, you know, crypto at one point, like I was treating it as like just like, you know what I mean, like a savings. Like I was just buying it and storing it up, and it was going up. But once I seen it start going down, like dramatically, like I felt like I just needed to get out. Now this is crucial because you got AMD up here. Look, it's trying to freaking reclaim red to green previous close, but it's rejecting. And you got the 9 right there. But there is some buying coming in. And if you on the 10-minute chart, I mean basically the same thing. But TSM is like leading the pack right now. AMD is struggling to go red to green, and Nvidia has gone red to green. Like, let's make sure we're on the right monitor. And AMD's fighting, bro, for that red to green. It's fighting. I'm seeing some red prints here, though. And look, the SPY is doing the same thing like yesterday, bro. Like, struggling at VWAP. The Qs, basically the same, but it seems like today the Qs are leading. You feel me? Like the Qs are a little stronger than the SPY. But yesterday the SPY was leading and was stronger than the Qs, like for most of the day. And then we seen them, you feel me, like kind of converge. And TSM is freaking like, I guess the masses found out about Warren Buffett's $4 billion in TSM, and they're just jumping in to chase them. But you got to understand that, bro. He bought at way lower levels, and then he disclosed it. And not to say that there's not money to be made still in the trade, but just have to keep that in mind. I don't like that flashing, bro. I don't know what that is, dude. No, this was a crucial level right here. But no, it wasn't. It was just an intraday level. The crucial level is the 73.75. But notice how AMD broke above this level and it's trying to base above it. Check out Meta up here at the 120. You know what I mean? It's been up there a few times. It hasn't been able to get above it. And remember, like I use the 120 as like a long-term kind of, trend, like a directional. It's like my long-term directional SMA. So if something isn't, you feel me, above the 120, along with everything else, then I don't consider it bullish or in an uptrend. You feel me? Like when you have price action above the 120 VWAP and maybe like the 9 or like a short-term SMA, that's when you know for sure that something is in a short-term uptrend. But if it's not above the 120, I mean, and let's go to Meta on the 5-minute, actually. See, there's a little more logic on that 5-minute. Look at that. So we got clear resistance around here on Meta. Look, it came up here and like chopped around. Like came up there and rejected a few times. And look, Look, the SPY, like same thing like yesterday, bro. Like just fighting with the 9 and VWAP. But the Qs, see, it's a little different today because the Qs are leading. The Qs are out ahead of the SPY. You feel me? Look, the SPY's trying to break above VWAP, and based on the 9, the Qs are above VWAP and the 9 and trying to base on it. So that's what's different than yesterday. And now we got AMD coming back down here like at previous close. You feel me? Again. So it cracked previous close and the 9 again. And I was seeing some red prints for a second. See all those red prints? See all those red prints? That's selling going through, bro. Hitting the tape. Yeah, you see that? Some serious hacking going on, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Now you see this wick on the SPY and the Qs? That wick reaching up and rejecting off of VWAP? And then if you notice, like on basically all these candles, you know, there's a wick on the top. Like right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, and right here. So the majority of the wicking is on the top, which means the majority of the price action is fading. Yeah, it's selling. It's people trying to fade the moves or sell the rip or whatever. You feel me? But bro, look at Baba. Freaking China stocks are doing good, huh? Damn. Should have rotated. Like I've been was looking at Baba though a long time ago. But when we were like freaking like when market conditions had first changed and I seen where Baba had came from and where it was at, and I was like, bruh, that's some serious potential to the upside. But like, you know, at that time, like, you know, like dip buying, you know what I mean, and I got punished for it. Like I didn't necessarily trade Baba, but I was still like in a couple long-term positions that I thought were bangers at the time, like Charge Point, Palantir. You know, I had a little bit of everything, bro. I was like well diversified. But like, bro, I had to freaking get out. I had to get out of most of my shit, bro. Most of my stuff, bro. Like, it took me a while too, bro, to capitulate and freaking realize that, you know what I mean? Like, if bro, you should. I'm just gonna drag TSM over here. Look at this thing. God, is that bullish or what? It's bullish though. Like, bro, you got the big dogs holding it up, bro. Like, there's major support down there wherever he bought the 4 billion. Like, whatever level that is, like that thing will not break below that, bro. There's too much buying there, bro. It's like a major support. Like, I guess it would be like around 60 or something. I don't know. So we got some bouncing trying to come in here now. Look at that. Look at that. But we've yet, I mean, basically what we're seeing is sideways chopping around on the spine and Qs, you know what I mean? For like the last at least 2 days. Look at better. And Stocks S is selling off. I mean, Stocks L is right at previous close, red to green, and rejecting off of it. And then you got Stocks S trying to hold previous close. And I'll show you real quick. So you see this? Stocks L at previous close trying to go red to green and break out. And then Stocks S at previous close trying to hold it as support and crack. And what's wrong with my webcam? Hold up. Yeah. All right, let's go back to the main monitor. And for now, it looks like Stocks L is breaking out. Oh, see? You see this? All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and finish my trading, and then I'll jump back on here in a little bit. All right. I'll be